Welcome back to Tour the World. In our last video, we explored the Bosphorus and various spots in Istanbul, Turkey. The Bosphorus trip was simply amazing. So far, we've visited 7 to 8 countries: Finland, Sweden, Estonia, Poland, Iceland, Switzerland, Turkey, and UAE. We made short documentaries using 4K drone footages. If you missed those videos, check out our YouTube channel now. Today, join us on a day trip to Dilovası and Bursa in Turkey. We rented a car and drove from Istanbul to Diliskelesi, a small town in the Dilovası district. It's just a 1.5-hour drive from Istanbul on the Asian side of Turkey. This area blends industrial and natural landscapes. It has a population heavily involved in industrial activities, supported by many factories and logistical hubs. Despite its industrial focus, Diliskelesi is surrounded by green, hilly scenery, providing a beautiful contrast. Its strategic location near bridge and port facilities boosts Turkey's economic infrastructure. These port activities enable significant trade and transportation, making Diliskelesi crucial in both national and international commerce. The mix of industrial energy and natural beauty makes Diliskelesi a unique and vital area in Turkey. Next, we drove to Bursa, another vibrant Turkish city about an hour away. Bursa has a population of around 2.1 million. The city features significant industrial areas and is strategically positioned for bridge and port activities, often leading to traffic jams. Many historic domed mosques, such as the Grand Mosque, highlight Bursa's green and hilly terrain. This blend of industrial growth, natural beauty, and rich cultural heritage makes Bursa a distinctive and dynamic city. Farming in Bursa thrives in its green countryside, with small towns and fertile landscapes. The region is known for peaches, olives, chestnuts, vegetables, and grains. Olive farming and dairy production are significant, producing high-quality olive oil and dairy products. This agriculture sustains the local economy and preserves Bursa's rich farming traditions. With this, we wrap up our Turkish trip. Next, we'll take you through dozens of cities and towns in Italy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tour the World.